Okay, after going back and forth with a couple ideas, I think we've decided on what our improvement's going to be for the 2P-10 inserts that go below here. We're going to take this top rack off of here and switch the boxes that are on the right side below to the bottom with the other boxes that are the same. And we're going to be able to pull this cart out, and when we get the 2P-10 insert box ready to go with the flaps cut off, we can just drop it right down onto the top of that rack so we don't have to lift it in and out of the bottom.
So I helped Alisha out, and what we did is the top is now gone. We put a blocker up here so that the box wouldn't be pushed too far back. We moved all of these back here, and it has a blocker so it won't get pushed all the way back. So all our boxes are together. Now all you have to do is you cut the box open, set it down, and then push it back. That's all you have to do.